Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the Winners Academy. So today we are going to study about the algebraic fractions, right? So okay, so I'm writing this subtopic like this. This simplifying algebraic fractions. Simplifying algebraic fractions, right? Okay. So under that, I'm taking some examples like here. So the first one I'm taking like this. That is 1 over p plus 1 over p plus 1 plus 1 over p plus 5, right? So you can see that these two are the algebraic fractions. You have to add both values together, right? So before that you have to find out what is the common denominator. To find the common denominator we have to take the LCM, that means least common multiple, or otherwise lowest common multiple, right? So LCM means what? We have to multiply these two expressions together, right? Because these two are not equal each other, so therefore we can multiply both together and find out the least common multiple. Okay, so LCM is coming like p plus 1 times p plus 5. So I can write down like this. Okay, so then after, if you need to convert both the denominators into this one, so we have to multiply like this, right? So in here there is no any p plus 5 term, so both side I can multiply with p plus 5, right? So I'm writing like here. We are giving the equal marks to continue the answers step by step, so we can write down like here, p plus 5 divide by p plus 1 times p plus 5, plus in here, if you need to make p plus 1 also there, you need to both side you have to multiply with p plus 1 no? So I can multiply like here, p plus 1 over p plus 1 times p plus 5. Okay, so I'm writing like this. Then after we can go like here. So you can see that both the denominators are equal. We can get the common denominator, that is p plus 1 times p plus 5, right? So that is the common denominator. Then after we can simplify the numerators together, so it is coming like p plus 5 plus this one is p plus 1, right? So then after, you can see here, so after that you can simplify the numerator by simplifying the like terms together, right? So that means p plus p is 2p, 2p plus 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by p plus 1 times p plus 5. After that you can see here in the numerator 2 is common for both, no? So therefore you can take 2 outside and remaining value is coming like b plus in 6 2 times 3 is there, right? So in 6 2 times 3 is there, so divide by p plus 1 times p plus 5. So that should be the answer there. Okay, that is the way you have to simplify the algebraic fractions together, right? Okay, so you can pause the video and copy the examples if you want, right? Okay, then after, so we can go for the other example like here. Look at carefully. So the next example I'm taking like this, right? Okay, so the second one I can get like here, that is, yeah, it is coming like this, 4 over x plus 3 minus 3 over x plus 4, right? So 4 over x plus 3 minus 3 over x plus 4. So you can see here both the denominators are not equal and also both are the algebraic expressions, right? So we can put the bracket like here. Okay, then after you can see that LCM is what? If both expressions are not equal, we have to multiply both together and find out the LCM, right? So LCM is x plus 3 times x plus 4, right? So after that we can we need to make both denominators like here. So that means in here x plus 3 is there already, so the other expression is x plus 4. No, by x plus 4 we have to multiply both sides, so it is coming like 4 times x plus 4 divided by x plus 3 and x plus 4 there. In here also I put the bracket because 4 is there now after the number. When you are writing the expression, when you are multiplying the number with the expression, you have to definitely you have to put the bracket there, right? Okay, then after we can go for the after that you have to put the minus symbol in same way. Minus, in here the denominator value is x plus 4 is only there, so we have to multiply both side by other term, that other expression, that is x plus 3. Okay, so the numerator is coming like 3 times within brackets x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 times x plus 4, right? So it is coming like that. Okay, then after you can see here, so okay, you can see that both denominators are equal now, so we can get the common denominator as what? We can get the common denominator as x plus 3 times x plus 4, right? And when you are writing the numerator, you have to write down specially because there is a minus symbol in between both. So when you are simplifying this bracket, you can write down like 4x, 4 into x means 4x, 4 into 4 means 16, plus 16, right? So after minus, when you are writing this expression, it's better to write down within the brackets. That means I can write down like here minus 3, or otherwise you can simplify in this way also, Lamai. Yes, minus 3 into x means minus 3x, minus into plus is again minus, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so then after we can simplify the numerators because there are like terms. 4x minus 3x means, yeah, 4x minus 3x means, what is that? That is 1x, right? The one we are not writing normally 1x there, so we can write down like x, right? X plus 16 minus 9 means what? Yeah, plus 16 minus 9 means plus 7. 16 minus 9 means 7. Divide by x plus 3, x plus 4. So in here also we can put the bracket because that is the expression. That's why, right? Okay, that is the way you have to do that. Okay, you can note it properly. You can pause the video and write it down. Okay, so then after we can go for the other one like here. Wait a minute. Yes, we can go for the next page now. Okay, so we can go for the third example. That is, in the third example, we can go like here. That is 1 over 1 over x plus 2, 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, so this one also I am writing within the brackets. Okay, you can see that this is linear one, linear factor, but this is quadratic one, no? Quadratic expression, it's better to factorize properly. Okay, I will explain you how to factorize this. We already done this part, no? The previous session I already discussed about this. Okay, so I will explain it again, don't worry. So we can do like here. So if I'm taking this is called as trinomial quadratic expression, right? Because there are three terms with the square term. So I can write down again like here, x squared minus 3x minus 10, right? When you are factorizing first term and last term, you have to multiply together. So plus into minus means minus, 10x squared is coming, right? Okay, after that we can make 10 like this. 2 times 5, 2 times 5 is 10, and you can get the difference. 5 minus 2 is 3 is coming. Okay, that is okay. So therefore you can take that if the product is negative, we can see that both signs are opposite to each other. When you are taking the sum of both and get the minus answer, we can decide easily. The sign of the bigger value is minus and sign of the smaller value is plus, right? So I can write down like here. So x squared, instead of minus 3x, I can apply these two terms as x terms like here, plus 2x minus 5x minus 10, right? That means you can see here both terms are, you can see that yeah, by considering, you can take the common factors in the first two terms. You can take x outside, x plus 2 is coming there, and when you are taking in the last two terms, you can see that minus 5 is common and the remaining value is coming like x minus will change into plus, x plus 2, right? Okay, so the answer, you can see that x plus 2 is common for both parts. So you can take x plus 2 outside and the remaining value is coming x minus 5 inside of the bracket. Okay, so x plus 2 times x minus 5. Okay, so after that I can write down like here. So 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over, so instead of this expression I can write down, apply these two factors here. We already found that is x plus 2 times x minus 5, right? So that is x plus 2 times x minus 5. Okay, now I will teach you what is the easiest way. I will explain you in that way, right? It's easy. So out of these two expressions, you can see that x plus 2 is common now. So you can take x plus 2 outside. So then after the remaining value also there, that one also we have to write down like x minus 5, right? So after getting the common factors of both denominators, we can write down the remaining factor also same way, right? Okay, then after we can write down the numerators like this. So in here x plus 2 is only there, but the remaining other factor is there now. So that factor we have to multiply with the numerator value. So 1 times x minus 5 means x minus 5 is coming in the numerator, right? And plus both denominators are equal, we can put 1 only there, right? This denominator to this denominator is here, we can write down the numerator is only. So after that you can say like here, x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 x minus 5. Okay, so that is the way you have to do it. Okay, I think you can understand it easily. So and special thing is you have to factorize this trinomial quadratic expression easily. I explained further here, but normally when you are taking these two factors, you can directly apply like x plus 2 and x minus 5. In that way also you can directly get. Okay, yes, any student can understand this one, that's why I explain all the things there, right? Okay, don't worry. So we can go for the fourth one. So in the fourth one they are asking like here. So yeah, I can get like here in this part there are three fractions. One is 1 over x minus 1. Yeah, one is 1 over x minus 1. Another one is 3 over x plus 1 minus 2 over x squared minus 1, right? So I'm writing in that way. Okay, then after I can write down like here. Then all the denominators are not equal, but you can see in the last one is quadratic terms also there, right? And also you can see that this is the difference between two square terms, so you can factorize it easily. That means 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x, or not 1, that is 3, no, 3 over x plus 1 minus 2 over this one. I can factorize like here. It is coming like x minus 1 times x plus 1, right? Okay, so I can write down like this way. Okay, then after we can go for the other part like this. Then after you can see that in all the denominators are not equal, but you can see that you have to find out the LCM there. So the LCM is x minus 1 term is there. So x minus 1 I am taking, and x plus 1 term also there. So I am taking like this, right? So all the denominators we have to convert into x minus 1 and x plus 1, right? So in here x minus 1 is only there. So both side I can multiply with x plus 1. So I can write down like here x plus 1 is coming in the numerator, and the denominator it is coming like x minus 1 and x plus 1, right? Okay, then after plus in here also x plus 1 is only there, so x minus 1 also we have to multiply in both sides. That means 3 times x minus 1 divide by x minus 1 and x plus 1, right? So minus in here you can see that both denominator is equal, no? So you no need to change this denominator, so it is coming as a LCM. So numerator value is 2, denominator is x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, so after that you can see that now all the denominators are equal. You can get the common denominator, that is x minus 1 times x plus 1, and the numerators we have to simplify like here. Yeah, so in here x plus 1 is there, plus in here 3 times we can multiply with 3 also. 3 times x 3x, plus into minus means minus. 3 times 1 is 3, and minus 2 is coming in same way in last, right? So you can see here these two are x terms and others are numbers, right? So this one is plus 6 and this one is plus 2 plus 3x, so altogether it is coming like plus 4x. We are not writing plus there, 4x only I am writing. Okay, then minus 3 minus 2 means minus 5, and minus 5 plus 1 means what? Minus 5 plus 1 means minus 4, right? Minus 4 divided by x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, you can see that in the numerator, yes, in the numerator you can see the common factors are there. So you can see 4 is common, no? 4 is common for both terms. So I can take 4 outside, and the remaining value is coming like x minus 1 divide by x minus 1 times x plus 1, right? So after that you can see x minus 1 to x minus 1 is common, so therefore I am cancelling out both together. So the last answer is coming like, it is easy, that is 4 over x plus 1. Okay, so yeah, that is the way you have to do that. Okay, you can see that you have to write down all the steps very clearly and neatly and nicely, then only you can get the full marks in your exams, right? Okay, so I think you understood all the things properly. Okay, then today's session is going to finish now. So let's see in the next session, right? So see you in the next time class. Okay, guys. I hope you understood all things properly. If you have any doubts, you can comment me, right? Okay, then take care. Bye. See you soon.